Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use EasyViewer Pro. First, download the free EasyViewer Pro application from your mobile device's App Store. Once installed, register a new account using your email address and create a strong password. Next, add your surveillance device by scanning its unique QR code or manually entering the serial number. It is crucial that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Once your device is added, you can access the live view to monitor your cameras in real time. The app provides a continuous flow of data, giving you real-time images and footage. Simply select a specific camera to view its feed in full screen. To review past events, use the playback feature, allowing you to select a date and time. You can also adjust the playback speed to quickly locate any important occurrences. Now we explore the apex of Mahito's power, his domain expansion, self-embodiment of perfection. Once activated, this technique guarantees direct contact with the souls of all within its barrier. This means you can instantly transfigure multiple opponents at once without needing physical touch. Against nearly 95% of sorcerers, this domain expansion is an almost unbeatable technique, ensuring a swift victory. The application offers several advanced features, including two-way audio communication, if your camera supports it, allowing you to convey messages or listen in. You can also export recorded video clips directly to your mobile device for easy sharing or archiving. Always check the network status for each connected camera to ensure stable operation. For any issues, refer to the comprehensive in-app help section for common troubleshooting solutions and tips.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.